Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Privileg 5140 washing machine. It's an old one that I found on the street, but I'm going to see if it works. So I've got a load of rags, a washing machine, I've got electricity, and I've got water coming from the tap. So I just have to fill it up and turn it on. Just an interesting feature, it has the 1 for the pre-wash and the 2 for the main wash, but it also has Hauptwasche and Vorwasche in there as well. And it's got this little green thing there, I don't know. That comes on, pre-wash, high spin, I don't know which is which, okay. Sounds good. Sounds like it's draining out. No, I have no drain out hose on the back of it, so it sounds like it's letting water in now. Ooh, it doesn't sound good. Are we getting some water? Yeah, it's coming in there. This machine may not have been used in a long time. I have no drain out hose on it, so I wonder if I have a spare hose I'll stick it on now. So it's in the pre-wash, it looks like it's building up some water. Stuff looks damp inside, but it doesn't look wet yet. And you can see, I don't know if you can see, over on the door, it's slightly red, the lamp in the door lock, which is cool. It's not hot. It sounds like it's doing something, but I don't know what. Motor's definitely working. Could be trying to boil water. I don't know. There's no real rush. I'll turn it off and come back to it because I don't want to make a 2-hour video. That's how long it takes. Looking at the lights, it does say it's on the main wash in the start. How could it be on the main wash already? That's a bit weird. Oh, something's going on here. Unless I didn't press that button. I don't know. We'll just follow on and see. It should only be on a 40, so it shouldn't really take any time to heat up. There doesn't seem to be much water in it. So I don't know. We'll catch up and see. Okay, so back here about 2 minutes later, and we've got start pause flashing, Spul stop, and Ende all flashing at the same time. So that's some kind of a fault code. I'm not sure what, but I'm not going to waste my time finding out. So what I'll do is I'll direct wire this washing machine for brick action, take the laundry out, and probably try it in the WM81. It's hiding behind because I know that it works and it's good fun. And crack on with wrecking this machine. So yeah, as a test wash, I've tested it, Privileg 5140, and the light's stuck on. Let's turn it off. It doesn't work, so scrap it. Let's get rid of it. Cream crackered. I'll put up another video of me wiring it for destruction and wrecking it. Thanks for watching, see you later.